Welcome back. Jared with Team Montana. We are checking out a 2021 Montana 3855 bonus room. Directly to my right is the bonus room. This is the cobblestone interior, which refers to this theater seat and that sofa only. Everything else is a standard with the modern maple wood color that you see. It is real wood, nothing is wrapped. It is real solid maple with a beautiful kind of gray stain to it. This is the new interior they just released a couple of weeks ago, actually. You know, they've been promoting it on their website for a while, but it actually has been delivered here for a couple of weeks now, and it's a lot nicer furniture, a lot more plush. Has a nicer pattern to it. Goes well with the color scheme in here. No more carpet. This is a PVC type pontoon flooring that they use. It's marine grade, so it's not going to retain water or any kind of stains or dirt or dog hair. So it's a very nice type of flooring. So this is your dinette system. So it does pull out and extend and do all kinds of tricks, and it makes it so really a humongous table. You have two other chairs that match these chairs that fold, and you can put them in here so you can sit down and eat with a group of four pretty easily. Very nice lighting all throughout this Montana. Even on the top of the ceiling, they've got a nice texture and color scheme going on just with everything else we got in here. Black accents, they did a very good job. Keystone's design team is on point. This is a 3855, so that refers to this residential refrigerator. You can get the 3854 BR, and that is going to give you the same size, 18 cubic feet, but it will be an RV propane refrigerator with no ice maker, no water dispensing system, no filtration, and no 2000 watt inverter. So if you don't do any kind of boondocking, this is the system you want to get. Every Montana has daytime and nighttime rolling shades. As you can see, some of the windows I have the daytime roller shades down. So that's going to help you so you can still see out, but people can't see in, nor will it let the sun come in. And then you get the full blackout if you like to be in the dark, or if you just don't want that sun to come in, go ahead and pull that down. Problem solved. All LED lights, everything is very, very bright in here. As you can see, there's LED lights on the ceiling all over the place. They've got it tucked in up on the crown molding along the top, underneath the island here. They do a very good job. Even your pantry, when you open up this baby, ta-da! Motion sensor LED light. They've put in some more structure into these shelves so that you can put, who knows, let me know in the comments what you want to put in there, but put a lot of stuff. So they've put up a new pop-up charger here, so it's a lot easier for me videoing single-handed to open that up. That's not the reason they did it, but so it's inverted. That's what this little yellow sticker is telling you. You got two USB ports, two outlets, so you have full range of whatever you want to put there. Coffee maker, ice maker, margarita maker, something like that. Built-in trash can. Everything is soft close in a Montana. So it's really cold. That's why that one doesn't want to work. There it goes. Got the 80-20 split sink, and the corners are all rounded, which I love because even doing dishes at home, it makes it a lot easier to clean up. You don't have these, you know, perfect 90-degree angles that just junk gets stuck into. So it's nice to see it's nice and smooth. You got the black stainless steel residential type faucet head. Sorry, drawing a blank there. Now let's check out this bonus room. As you walk in, you'll see you've got two barn style sliding doors. Very nice touch. Very durable. They hold up pretty well. You've got storage up above. You'll need a step stool, but that's okay. You got plenty of storage. Stepping into the bonus room, you've got a tri-fold sofa. So tri-fold means just that. 1, 2, 3. So it folds into 3 different sections. You've got this cushion that velcros out. Same with the one to the right. This base pulls out twice. Then this back piece flops down in, and boom, you got yourself a bed. And that will take up the entire space of this floor. So you'll have a really good sized bed in here where kids can easily sleep. All kind of storage all throughout here. It is prepped if you decide to add a TV. The wiring is all there. There's a bracket behind that wall where you can easily mount something pretty heavy. Shout out to Home with the Hoopers. He's got his humongous screen built in for where he works, and it's a pretty slick setup. So check them out. Pretty good storage all throughout here. You know, again, soft close, so easy peasy. One big thing I get questioned quite a bit is ventilation in here. So yes, there is heat and air. Your heat obviously in the floor, just like at home, heat rises, so let's put it in the floor. Those are return vents down on the bottom, so it's going to be a really good direct flow because your furnace is going to be just beyond this wall. So he'll do a very good job heating this coach up because it is a 4 seasons full-time livable unit. So this is directly where you step in from the door, which is very nice to have because you've got your control center. Boom, right there. Easy peasy. Go ahead, turn on all the lights, run the slides out, run your awnings. Everything is labeled, which I love. So your tank heaters is always a big concern. Sometimes they don't label them. So everything in here is labeled. Obviously, all the lights are on. That's why they're lit up. 2 awnings. So the one on the slide in the kitchen area is going to be an awning, and then one directly behind me where your entertainment cooking area outside is. So this one has a built-in refrigerator, griddle, and a mini fridge outside. So stay tuned. Once I get done in here in the next couple minutes, I'm going to go outside and show you what all we got outside. Okay, so stepping up, you have down the bottom central vac with a floor sweep, so you have plenty of options there. Really long hallway with a big window. Love that. This pulls out, so it's a ladder for the kiddos. Very easy to get in and out, or if you just want to make this a big storage room, you can do so. I love that they put that big window on the side there, and pretty secure railing here. So, you know, like my 3-year-old, he would be in heaven up here. So I haven't told you guys, I am expecting little baby girl Piper. She's going to be here probably the 2nd week of January. So I might be out for a couple weeks, and that would be why. So it would be my 3rd baby. 3 under 3. Say your prayers for me. All right, so you've got plenty of linen storage in this one, which I love. Up on the top, just like the 3121, it has the built-in LED light on the top here. Pretty deep, so you could stack a lot of towels in there. And this one is even deeper, so that's pretty cool. Then you also have that slot down below, okay? Residential style shower, which means it is 1-piece fiberglass from top to bottom. You don't have to worry about any kind of seals that you have to caulk all the time. You know, they're going to retain mold, start to crack, and then you got leaks, and then you hate RVing and you'll never want to do it again. So it's nice to see that they put that style in here. Get the built-in toilet paper holder. Love it. All kind of storage. You've got storage here in your medicine cabinet. I like that they don't put the cabinet right here where your sink is at, because when you're brushing your teeth and you go to discharge that, you don't have to worry about banging your head on this piece of cabinetry. So that's nice to see. Outlet here, you can plug in your curling iron, hair dryer, yada, 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 light switch, and your max air fan. So that's going to help circulate everything. And one other little thing, the towel rack. Come on, beautiful. Little things in life. King size bed. This is an upgrade, about $250, maybe $300. I can't remember, but it's minimal. It does have full storage underneath. It tilts up. It has gas struts on there to help you lift it so it's not as heavy. Up on the headboard, you've got nice padding. So if you want to lean up there and read a book or watch TV on your 32-inch television, you can easily do so very comfortably. You also have a whisper quiet air conditioner in this bedroom. So if it's nice and hot, leave those roller shades down and go block the sun out, and crank this air up, and it's going to get cool in here pretty quick. You'd be surprised how well these things do as far as insulation. And the big thing is these walls are all CNC routed, so they're not cut by hand. They're like within 1/100th of an inch, maybe not that much, something like that. So everything is tight, even the windows. So when they put them in, it's engineered and directly cut for that exact window. So that's what really gives the Montanas that full 4 seasons insulation factor. There's a little bit of dirt, not dirt, just whatever, holding that door. So you've got the hamper here. It's pretty neat to have. It actually pulls out, so if you want to take it down to wherever, to the laundromat or something, or you can put your own stackable washer and dryer in here. So the washer goes on the bottom. It weighs about 250 pounds. And then the dryer sits on top. Just cut a hole in the wall, bing, bang, boom. Takes our guys about 2 hours to do that. You've got your, I always forget what this is called, wardrobe. It's not a nightstand. Wardrobe will go with. And again, you got the daytime, nighttime roller shades with the side valances, which I like because when I sleep at night, I want it black. So this eliminates all light coming in. You've got the fire exit. These are frameless windows, so this is just how they open. Not all of them open that much. They usually open about, 3-4 inches. So in case of fire, you can jump out this window. I wouldn't recommend it unless there's a fire. Barn style sliding door with magnets on both sides. I talk about this all the time, so I'm not going to bore you with that. Just know that it is an awesome setup. Montana's been the #1 seller for 21 years in a row. Again, my name is Jared with Team Montana. Please give me a call. Nobody beats my deals. I'm 20 miles from the factory. So as I was talking about inside with your main awning directly over your campsite, your other one's going to be on this side here. You do have enormous pass-through storage, which is TV prep. So if you want to add a television, set it right here. You could probably fit a 40 or something in here. I'm talking about TV bigger, folks. Sorry, it's really windy. I hope you can still hear me okay. So you have a built-in sink that drains, which is nice to have. Then you also have this double burner grill, which there's a quick connect to your propane tanks down on the frame. Somewhere, I can't see. Oh, over there. Right in front of that stabilizer. Or leveler, if you would. So there's just a little quick connect right there. Okay, so I'm going to continue down towards the back. This is a G-range tire on this Montana, 115 to 120 PSI. So this is the best tire on the market right now that's rolling out of the factory. You've got the rubberized road armor suspension there in the middle. So that's going to eliminate vibration in the coach by 33%. Yes, they did a full survey. Frameless windows, again, like I pointed out inside. Coming to the back, you've got the ladder, LED lights, a hitch that tows 3,000 pounds. Yes, you heard that right. You can pull your boat, your four-wheeler, whatever you want. Backup camera prepped. This kind of money, you're going to get that no matter what. But they did go ahead and put side camera prep on these trailers, which is nice. I'll show you what that means here in a minute. This is your bonus room slide out. Again, frameless windows. Sorry. It's pretty windy today. It's probably 30-mile-an-hour gust. 12-gallon hot water heater, 18 gallons per hour recovery rate with it turned on to propane and electric. So it's going to recover super, super fast if you want to take nice, long showers. I'm going to pause real quick and show you the convenience center. So here's your other side of your pass-through storage. You've got the 2,000-watt inverter up here on the top. Comes with the residential style only. This is your wet bay area, so everything is centrally located. This little purple, blue cord, whatever color that is, that runs to the top of the roof, and that is satellite prep up on the roof, which is huge. They just started doing that. So I was talking about the camera prep system. So as you can see on these marking lights here, this is prepped for that Furion side camera system. It's the same that goes on the back, and it's a Bluetooth display. You just plug it into your truck, plug in your camera. Only works when the running lights are on, but you can control it when you're going down the road and have full view. 30-gallon propane tanks, one on each side. Real quick, we're gonna get a little techie on you. So this trailer weighs 13,860 pounds. It will hold up to 16.9. This was built in 12 of 20, so 21 days ago or something like that. Pretty new. That's the advantage of us being 20 miles from the factory. We get stuff right away. Leveling system, this is the marriage saver, right? So you come in, you hit the power button, come in, boom, auto level. Minute and a half, it's gonna be leveled, unless you're on a crazy site, but that's a whole nother story. These are your selectors to control your hydraulic slides, and you got any questions, give me a call about that. In here is your hydraulic pump for your hydraulic system, which is your leveling and your slides. This switch over here runs to your inverter. As you can see, it's saying high electricity because it's solar prepped. This one does not have the gen prep, however there's tons of space in there if you want to add one. And just like your suspension system, this pin box has the same rubberized piece in it, so the main pivot point is right here on this big bolt. So if you go across bridges and it gets real bumpy or you hit your brakes real hard, this is going to absorb 33% of that vibration. Might be more than that, but that's just the number that I remember them telling me about with the testing that they did. So kind of a neat fact, Montana goes to the Navistar, I think it's called, in New Carlisle, I believe, Indiana. It's the old Studebaker test plant, and they load these things down and they put a bunch of sensors in them and a whole bunch of techie stuff, and they beat the crap out of these things just to test and see how long they hold up, where they're weak, and then they fix it. So that's why I believe in this brand. That's why I love presenting it to you. Again, my name is Jared, Team Montana here in Elkhart, Indiana, 20 miles from where they're built. Nobody beats my price. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. All my information is down below. Look forward to working with y'all. Have a fantastic day.